And I'd just like to say, I thank God that you're here with me. And I know you too well to say you're perfect, but you'll see, oh my sweet love, you're perfect for me. I know all your secrets, and you know all of mine. You're always there to hold me up when I'm losing my mind. And I wish that I was stronger so that I had more to give. But I'll share everything I have, we'll find a way to live. And I'd just like to say,